All right, so for the next episode of the cheesecake series, we got a never before seen pound cake cheesecake. Yes, that sounds crazy.
Best cheesecake I've ever made. No cap.
And this cheesecake holds dear to my heart because not only was it amazing, but it was a product of my own mistake, as you see here. So when I messed up my pound cake, I decided, okay, let me combine cheesecake with pound cake and just see how that comes out. And as y'all see, that came out amazing, so let me show you how I did it. Now, y'all know for the cheesecake, I don't switch this up too much. Just some cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, lemon extract, flour, and sour cream. Now for my pound cake batter, I just creamed together some sugar and some butter. I did some vanilla and some lemon extract. Then I went old school with the sifter and sifted in some flour. Now we're just going to layer our cheesecake. So first start with the cheesecake batter, then pound cake batter, then I'm going to top that off with the cheesecake batter. And of course, we're going to add a few dollops over the top. You want to bake this in the oven about an hour and a half until the pound cake is popping out the top. Y'all let me know in the comments below what cheesecake I should make next. Y'all got to get this one a try. And one thing about it, two things for sure. Chef D the real GOAT. Make sure you follow for more.
No cap.